Okay guys, there's our monitoring system in the Land Cruiser 300. Okay, so what I've done, we put a switch there to activate the power. Look there, it's neatly installed, so I switch it on. And now there's a feed of the video at the back. So this is neatly done in a Land Cruiser. So let me go show you what it looks like at the back. So we've just installed it with the your standard wire. Okay, so it goes into the standard plug. Okay, and there's the camera, and that was the view it saw. Okay, so there's the camera system, so you can see while you're driving all the traffic, etc.